Good morning guys, it's day one vlog of my mini series for my summer bod, and I am going to show you guys what my body looks like right now and the things that I'm kind of hoping to see in the next 5 weeks. Let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is what I look like. It's day one of my mini series, June 1st, 2020. This is what my body looks like. I have a little bit of overhang. It's a little tight where my love handles are, and I've noticed that during this quarantine because I just like don't do any cardio. So I'm gonna see what my regular workouts do because I don't really plan on doing like a ton of cardio. Just hopefully I can trim down a little bit on the sides. I'm not too mad about that though. And then I really would like to see some definition in my midsection, and this is what I look like just after I've woken up. I haven't eaten or worked out or anything. I took a picture this weekend and my legs looked actually pretty defined in the photo when I was on my tippy toes, which I do a lot because I'm short, but I'm pretty happy with like what my legs look like, so I don't really care about too much change there. I would like to lose a little body fat, I guess, so I'm gonna have to start watching what I eat. I would like to see a little more definition or a little bit of growth, but I always have like such a hard time doing that, and I feel like with quarantine happening and the gyms are closed in California still, it's not really gonna be an option for me. We'll see what happens. My hamstrings are looking good. I've been doing a lot of Romanian deadlifts, and this is the back. I know it's kind of hard with the camera to like film this, but that's what I look like from the back. Sorry if that was weird. Okay, so this is what I look like. It's day one. Not too shabby. I'm going to try to better myself each day throughout this vlog, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so this morning I'm not really feeling that up to like lifting weights. I'm pretty tired actually from this weekend and just haven't really been feeling it with like everything that's happening right now. So I'm going to start my week off with some yoga sculpt, and I just do mine off of like an episode from YouTube, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started into that. Oh, and also I don't have any like, I have weights, but they only go down to like 5 pounds, and I've used them for yoga sculpt before, and they're just too heavy for me. So I use like these weights that are just ankle weights because this is what I have. These are 2.5 pounds, so I figured it's probably good enough.
Sit up tall. And just notice your head is forward from being on the phone on your laptop. Draw your ears back.
So I just finished some yoga. Unfortunately, for some reason, I have to still figure out the settings on my camera. Now I'm gonna go ahead and eat some oatmeal. Basically, just half a cup of oats. I use water, I stick it in the microwave. I do use brown sugar. I've been trying to like not use as much, and then I drink unsweetened iced tea in the morning, and then I'll just show you guys what I'm gonna eat and like what that looks like. Usually I have a side of fruit, but I don't have any fruit right now. Okay, so I just got back from Trader Joe's. I got some healthy snacks, some things for Corbin. I got salad stuff. I got veggies that I'm trying out, some proteins, eggs, fruits, and I got stuff for my salads, and then also these just like unhealthy little treats because I need it. Alright guys, so before I put this into a bowl, this is what I'm going to have for lunch. It's a Trader Joe's Southwestern chopped salad. It's a salad kit, so I think there's dressing in there already. 1 cup of it is a serving, and it has 160 calories per serving. And then I also am having some leftover wings from yesterday just because I don't want to waste it. And if I just have a couple, it's like not a big deal. Looks so good. Hey guys, it's 4:44 p.m. and I'm starting to get a little bit hungry. We should be having dinner in about like 3 hours or so, but I'm going to have this as a snack. It's just, remember, this is plantain crisp from Trader Joe's. Usually, like when I want a snack and I'm having something like this, I'll look at the serving size and I'll try to have one serving, and then if I'm still hungry, I'll have a little bit more because I don't like really deprive myself of snacking or like foods or anything, but I try to make sure that at least I know that I'm conscious of like how many I'm eating so that I'm not overindulging, because I do that most of the time with chips and like sweets and stuff like that. So I just wanted to show you guys what I'm eating. It's dinner time now, so we are having what's this sauce?
Tomato basil.
Tomato basil sauce. Ooh, it looks so good. It's veggie pasta from Trader Joe's with a little bit of ground beef. I put some cheese on there, and sorry if the lighting is weird in here. We just got back from our walk. Otto just had breakfast, and so he's acting crazy. He's so playful after his breakfast. Otto, get the rope. Get the rope. You want the rope? Go get it, buddy. Good boy. This is my body scan for day 2. This is after pasta. Last night I was seriously bloated. I'll put this up a little so you guys can see. I'm not really defined this morning. Some mornings I am, some mornings I'm not. And these shorts are a little big on me around the waist. So it doesn't hug too tight, which is why it looks like I don't have any overhang. Legs look pretty defined. Day 2. Alright guys, so I just finished my workout. This is what I have going on for breakfast. I got the 2 scrambled eggs, 2 turkey bacon, the jam on my toast, and an iced tea. It is 11:11. It's time for our second walk of the day. I probably won't be hungry for another hour. We'll see what happens after this walk, and it is a pretty long walk. I'd say it's about 2 miles long. Hey guys, we just got back from our walk. It actually has been like about an hour since we got back from our walk, but I just wanted to show you what I'm having for lunch. This is the Southwestern Cobb salad from yesterday, but I scooped out 1 cup, and it's like really the smallest amount. So I just finished my 1 cup of salad, and this is a half a cup of pasta. Hello, it is 3:30. I had lunch maybe around like 1-ish, 1:30. So it's been 2 hours and I'm still hungry. I ended up having that 1 more scoop of like half of a cup of spaghetti. Still hungry, so I'm going to eat a snack now, and I'll show you guys what I'm eating. Okay, I'm just gonna have some of this. It's the dark chocolate with hazelnuts from Trader Joe's. I'll have a piece of that, and then however much 1 serving is of these dry, roasted, and unsalted cashews. LOL, look at how much a 4th cup of cashews are. This is 1 serving, so this is how much I'm going to have for now. This is what we have for dinner. Brussels sprouts, salmon, and half a cup of rice. And if I need more rice, I'll go in for a second half of a cup. And then we are going to have dessert tonight, so I'll go ahead and film that and show you guys what I'm gonna have. Dinner was delicious, and now we're having these mango sticky rice egg roll situation things. You can have 2 per serving, but I'm just gonna have 1. Corbin's gonna have 1, and Otto's gonna have half of his doggy ice cream. It's cheddar cheese and I think applesauce. Hey guys, so I literally did nothing for like an hour just now, but I'm gonna do some yoga. I'm just gonna try to get this yoga session in once I find something good that I like.
Widen your knees to the width of your mat. Melt your hips down onto your heels.
Hello from after our walk and after yoga this morning. It was a little bit of a sculpt class, so it was kind of like abs and a lot of like pressing motions. So that was nice, sort of, because I didn't want to do it at first, but I did. And it felt really nice in the end, actually. There's like a fuzzy flying in my face. But anyways, we came back from our long walk. It was very warm today. The sun's out. It's beautiful. And I'm going to show you guys what I'm having for lunch. A small piece of salmon, and then I'm eating the rest of the salad from that Trader Joe's pre-made salad kit. Alright everybody, it's been about maybe 4 hours since I've had lunch, and I had a really big lunch, so I was trying to hold off for my afternoon snack, and I'll show you guys what I'm having. It's exactly the same as yesterday. Here I've got a 1/4 cup of cashews, that's just 1 serving, and then 2 pieces of this dark chocolate with like whole hazelnuts in them. This is what is for dinner on day 3 of week 1. Trader Joe's butter chicken with basmati rice. So 1 serving size is 1 container. Has 270 calories, which isn't bad at all. Cholesterol is pretty high. Sodium is super high. Carbs are good. Protein is good. So far so good. Sorry I'm in sweatpants. This is my midsection for this morning. I see lines again. Sorry, they're still doing construction downstairs, but I see lines. This is me fully relaxing, and then this is me squeezing, so not much of a difference, which is nice because I'm here for consistency. Okay guys, something happened and I burned my bacon, but here we have 2 pieces of turkey bacon, burnt, annoying. Toast. It has a little bit of butter and blackberry jam on it. And then these are 2 eggs, and this morning I put black pepper, paprika, and then I put 2 tablespoons of Mexican shredded cheese because we had some in the fridge and I didn't want to waste it. And that was a serving size, is like 2 tablespoons. And of course an iced tea. And this is what I'm going to use for my pre-workout for breakfast. After breakfast, so I feel a little more bloated than when I woke up this morning because I had a pretty fatty and carby breakfast. There was cheese involved, as you guys saw. So I'm going to go ahead and start on my workout. I'm doing a glute and ab focused workout because that is like my main concern areas is my glutes. I want to have them grow a little bit more, and I would like my abs to be a little more defined. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my workout. I'll film a little bit of it so you guys can see what that looks like. Okay, this is what we are having for dinner. Some chicken tenders, fries from Trader Joe's, green beans, and everything was made in the air fryer or the oven. Of course, my nightly wine and a Perrier. And that will conclude the rest of the day. We haven't planned anything for dessert yet. Good morning. It is the last day of the week, and I'm not going to film individual days for the weekend because it's just like a lot. I'll recap the weekend, however. We're probably going out of town to visit my family, but I'm feeling like a little bloated, but you can see that there's some definition still going on, which is nice. I have my ring light on because it's super gloomy here in Long Beach today, so I don't know if you can see the definition. But so far a week of working out has been good to me. Yeah, so I'm gonna do some yoga sculpts today and probably have some oatmeal. I'm gonna try to have the oatmeal after I do the yoga sculpt, just so I'm like filled for after. But we'll see what happens. So yeah, this is what I look like, and I'm feeling pretty good. A little bloated this morning when I woke up. Went for a walk with Otto. And I'm gonna get the day started, get my workout out of the way so I don't have to worry about it for the rest of the day and go on with my weekend. Okay, so I just finished some breakfast. I had my regular half a cup of oats, some blueberries, and iced tea, of course, and then I just finished some yoga sculpt, a 30-minute class. It was pretty difficult because I'm actually feeling pretty sore in my glutes, which is a good sign for my workout yesterday. And then I'm not really sure what I'm having for lunch. I'm probably just gonna have a salad and some pot stickers from Trader Joe's, or maybe a tuna package to go with my salad. Not sure yet, but I don't feel like it's necessary to show you guys every single meal because most of the time I eat the same thing, especially for breakfast and whatnot. So I'm thinking of formatting these mini series videos differently than my first one that's going to come out on Wednesday. Sorry, my phone is popping off. But yeah, so I'm editing that video that's gonna upload next Wednesday, and it's taking forever. It's like literally already 20 minutes long. This video has to go into it. So I'm probably not gonna show you the rest of my stuff for today since I already worked out. Lunch will be a salad, like I said. Dinner is gonna be, I have no idea because we're going on a road trip to Las Vegas to visit my family. And before my phone keeps popping off in this video, I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I hope that next week's video is a lot better as far as like watching goes, so you guys aren't miserable watching like oatmeal 4 times during the week and like yoga sculpt 3 times during the week or whatever I do. So yes, I will just start recording like what I look like, how I feel, and all that other stuff. So I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you guys so much if you watched all the way through. Have a great day. Bye.